Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla highlighted the joint efforts of the government and the public in ensuring accessible and affordable healthcare across the state. He was speaking at the inauguration of the Khairakpam Krishna Gopal CHC Ningthaukhong building at Ningthaukhong in Bishnupur district today. The event was attended by high-profile officials including Home Minister K. Govindas and MLAs T.H. Basantakumar, I. Nalini, T.H. Shanti, T. Robindro and S. Premchandra. Speaking further, the governor noted that societal progress is deeply rooted in the health and fitness of its citizens. He further commended Gojendra Foundation for its initiative in establishing the facility, calling it a significant gesture of public service. He expressed confidence that the centre, which will operate under a public-private partnership model, will provide vital medical benefits to the residents of Bishnupur and the wider state.
This is a powerful example of how public service and philanthropy can come together for the greater good. In commercial listing, we call it as PPP, and public-private partnership. It's an example of that on the social sector side. The contribution of this foundation is expanding into health sector also. I am told they have been doing very good work, as I mentioned, in various sectors, but I was especially told on the education side they have done outstanding work. Here in this building, establishment of a dedicated maternity ward within this facility is particularly significant. Access to quality maternal health care is essential for ensuring safe motherhood and healthy generations. This new infrastructure with its operation theatres, labour rooms, neonatal care facilities and wards will enhance the capacity of this health centre to serve the people of Bishnupur district and beyond.
On the other hand, Home Minister Govindas Konthokjom noted that the hospital's founder, Krishna Gopal, dedicated the facility exclusively to women patients. He said that the founder's decision was inspired by his personal life as the father of an only daughter. The minister also urged Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla to submit a proposal to the central government for the establishment of a medical college in Bishnupur district.
building asila matunga masigi building asila akoida sarkar ki building amsu lakhe laiba sarkar ki building asiga ani asina health care system asida yam sauna choba mating pangba ama soida na oiragani as honorable prime minister announced for establishment of one medical college in one district. I humbly urge the Honorable Governor to kindly establish and send a proposal to the Government of India for establishment of a medical college in Bishnupur district. Sir, your proposal to the Government of India will definitely materialize, sir.